today's project, I'm using ESP8266 and creating a fun project of like a desktop bot. I named this bot as Dot, and as usual, this project also has a soft API. Once you connect it to the soft API, you will get the status of Wi-Fi, and the MQTT is on the time title bar, and then an animation face will be there. And also this project has a Dot dashboard, which will have faces configuration and also configuration of weather and news intervals. So this bot is like, along with the animation, periodically it will display weather as well as the current any critical news headlines that will also be shared here. So if you wait for 1 minute, every 1 minute it will show the weather and the news. So there are other actions like sleep. If I click sleep, it will go to sleep, and then when I click, there's a command called wake, and when I click wake, it will come back and it'll say dot awake, and the news command should fetch news. So it's fetching the news, plays the weather of the current location where I am right now. So now it's displaying critical newses, and it'll scroll the headlines over there. Yeah, we cannot read much on this display, but just to give an idea of what we can do it with this ESP8266, I kind of did this. This is just a fun project. Anybody who wants to learn embedded systems or any microcontroller programming, they can start with this. Bot can also display messages received from any IoT devices. For the demo purpose, I'm just going to send just in any simple message. Let's see if it gets displayed there. So on the web dashboard, I have something here to send a message. So if I click send there, it'll say you have a message, and will display the message. The face page, which will change the face of the anime. It changes accordingly, and it can also change the mood of the face. This is sleepy, this is alert, this is sad face, back to the happy face.